Before you begin baking, grease and flour the pans you're using. Preheat the oven to the temperature as directed in the recipe so that it's ready to bake when you are. Melt the chocolate in a microwave or oven. Use a wire whisk to combine the flour with the leavening agents for a good mixing result. Bring the butter to room temperature before you begin baking. When it's reached the proper temperature, beat it until it's creamy. Slowly add the sugar while mixing if possible. Add the eggs to the butter and sugar mixture one at a time and mix well until blended. For a chocolate date, this is generally when the chocolate is added to the butter and sugar mixture. Be sure to mix it completely. Add the dry ingredient mixture with the milk alternatively to the butter and sugar mixture, which now also contains eggs and melted chocolate, and mix well until it is smooth and uniform. Carefully divide the batter between 2-pound cake pans, or add one pan if you are using a rectangular or one pan. Bake the cakes according to the time and temperature in the recipe directions. Remove from the oven and cool on a rack for 10 minutes as directed in your recipe. Remove the cakes from the pans and cool completely on wire racks before frosting the cake. Once the cakes are completely cool, it's time to frost them. If you have 2 rounds cake, put one top side down on the serving platter and frost it. Then put the second cake on top and frost the top and sides. Make swirls as decoration if required. This completes the process of how to bake a cake. Hopefully you have liked the video and the content of it. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.